everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video is comparing our Ipsy Glam Bag up against our Sephora Play. And I have to say, guys, I have a lot of thoughts. Ipsy is changing things. I'm gonna forewarn you, do a disclaimer, I may or may not have lipstick on my teeth while I'm filming this video. I'm using the new Ofra by Madison Miller lipsticks, and they keep traveling to my teeth, and it's driving me crazy. Okay, anyways, guys, if you are new to my channel, I want to just stop and thank you guys so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, you guys, you are my heart, and I appreciate each and every single one of you guys for pretty much every single day I upload a video and y'all come back and you watch this crazy train wreck in action. So I love you guys so much. I'm not even gonna wait to the end of the video to tell you guys that. I just truly appreciate you guys. I appreciate your time and coming back and watching this. Disclaimer number 15 billion. I talk a lot and I ramble a lot and I repeat a lot. Okay, welcome to my brain, my channel, and my crazy. Okay guys, so both companies do a monthly subscription, Ipsy, Sephora. Now, both are $10 at this point in time. Ipsy will be changing their price to $12, and both products typically, or both brands, both companies, typically give you deluxe size samples. Sometimes you'll get full size, sometimes you won't. So, I want to go ahead and compare. Now, some people may just come to the video and be like, nah, there's no comparison, Ipsy all the way or Sephora all the way. I'll tell you guys, like I said last month, both have profiles. Obviously, you know, with Sephora, you're getting high-end luxurious products, especially when you are filling out your profile or when they're curating your bag, etc. Now, Ipsy does give you the chance in your profile to get drugstore related things, or you could all do high-end things. I choose to just do more of the high-end products, the more expensive things, because it gives me the opportunity to try out those expensive things that may not be within my budget right away, that I may need to save up for. So I really like, and that would be a good tip if you guys want to try out expensive products. Just go into your Ipsy profile and click all the high-end expensive things, because I don't know about you guys, but for me, I feel like drugstore is fairly affordable and I don't have to think too much about having to save up to get a drugstore palette. You know what I mean? That was kind of like my whole reasoning when I was filling out my Ipsy profile. I do feel like the Ipsy bag is always nicer than the Sephora Play. Sephora Play is just a plastic, pretty much glorified Ziploc bag. That's so mean, but it's the truth. So this month's bag was Astrology. It is so flipping cute. Now, we did Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, so I will try and remember to link that down below for you guys, as well as we do Sephora Play Edition. So these have already been unbagged on my channel, and you guys have probably maybe already seen it, but if not, we're doing a little recap. And I love the fact that it had a little crystal on here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is unbox for you guys the Ipsy, unbox the Sephora, and then give you guys my final thoughts at the end. So the first item that I did get in my Ipsy is the Lemon Verbatim Clay Mask by IMOVIE. And again, it's a deluxe size sample. Very nice. I have not tried this yet. The next item I did get is my Too Faced Mascara. And I did get the Ofra Madison Miller highlighter in the shade Moon Dance. Very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that for you guys. I will say I attempted to use this today and it was a little too gray for me, which was kind of a bummer. And I'm at fair skin right now, so I've already had to start making the changes as far as like the powders, facial powders and stuff. So I'm like, oh, that was a horrible noise. Okay, two more items. The next item I got was the Benefit Gimme Brow Mini in the shade Warm Golden Blonde. It is a mini. I will tell you guys, I did pick one. You can have the option to do add-ons with Ipsy, and I did get one. This is in the shade 3. I have it on today, and I do actually like this. So was excited about that. And the last item I got is by Kula. This is the Mineral Sun Silk Cream Sunscreen. Again, and a little trial size of this product. Nice thing about this is it's actually filled all the way, so I'm really gonna get to test out this product. But I will tell you, I've used Coola in the past and I do enjoy it. So that was everything in my Ipsy. Again, for September, I do believe I paid $10. I don't think it had gone up to the $12 just yet. Could be wrong. So moving on to my Sephora bag. The first item I did get was one of my favorite high-end mascaras, which is the Hourglass Caution mascara. You guys, this is a good size mini and I absolutely adore this mascara, which I think I showed you guys upside down, but you guys know. The next item I got was I guess it's a full-size mini. Does that make sense? I don't know. This is the Bite Beauty lipstick. I'm not going to swatch this because this is one that I've received multiple times in my Sephora bags before. It is a very pretty color and very comfortable lipstick. I was getting color and shade mixed up. My brain is like malfunctioning. We love that. This is in the shade Grace, and again, the formula is very comfortable, and I do like the muted type of mauve color. Next, I received a good size Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash by Fresh Beauty, and again, this is completely full and a nice deluxe size sample. I did get a perfume sample of the YSL Libra, and oh my gosh, it smells wonderful. It's delicious. Two more products. I did get an Amika Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. Again, a great size. I feel like this is one of those types of sizes that you would receive if you got like one of their travel kits. So very nice. And then the last item is by First Aid Beauty. This is the Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer, and it's oil free. And again, this product is filled completely up, so we love that. So my thoughts as far as which bag won, I will tell you, because of the Hourglass Caution mascara, it kind of made it hard, but I feel like for the overall amount of products that I got, I'm gonna have to give it to Ipsy this month. I feel like Ipsy definitely came through. Sephora has been killing it though lately, guys. I know a lot of you guys can't stand Sephora Play, and trust me, I get it, because in the past, when I first started my channel, I was unboxing the Sephora Play and I ended up canceling it because I was like, these are crap products I'm never gonna use. But I will tell you guys, I will use all of these products in the Sephora, but I was more intrigued by the Ipsy, if that makes sense. So anyways, guys, before I jump off, I do want to let you guys know, in case you're curious as to what is on my eyes, it is the Ultra Ega Sahara palette and the Hourglass Scattered Lights in the shade Reflect. And on my lips, I told you guys, was the Ofra Cosmetics, I think I dropped them. Oh, here they are. The Ofra Cosmetics Madison Miller lip glosses. And then the lip liner I used is my Gerard Cosmetics Sugar and Spice. I do have a 30% off coupon code down below if you guys are interested in picking that up. I do have 2 giveaways going on my channel right now. If you check my description box, guys, you will see 2 videos listed in the giveaway section. Just go over to those videos so you can enter a chance to win. Don't forget to check out my description box for my daughter's channels, my second channel. If you don't follow me over on my second channel, you guys really should. It is just... You think this is a train wreck? Well, you guys are in for a treat over there. I talk about keto related content. I do some grocery hauls, some randomness. My eye is twitching, guys. My eye is twitching because I'm rambling and I'm in my own head right now. I'm like, girl, just shut up in the video. I'm working on that. Okay, guys. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, or feel free to give me a big thumbs down, whatever it may be. I just appreciate that you guys actually watched and sat through this video. Thank you guys so much. I will catch you in tomorrow's video, because at this point I'm pretty much uploading 7 days a week over here, and I kind of cut it down to like 3 days a week, maybe more, over on my second channel. Anyways, like I said, don't forget to check my description box for our giveaway, as well as other coupon codes and discounts that I'll have listed for you guys. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!